We have with us Mr. Prashanth Ramdas, partner Khaitan & Co. Sir, please help me understand. With UPI margins still razor thin, are fintechs like MobiKwik and Infibeam proving that creative monetization is possible, or are they just exceptions to the rule?
Yeah, no, I think in the UPI ecosystem, zero MDR, I think, has been a raging issue in terms of market players requesting the government to change the framework and help companies monetize in this segment. But given the Indian demographic dividend, the government, has been trying to increase UPI volumes by encouraging small merchants to adopt UPI as well. And in that context, I think there needs to be a balance in the ecosystem, and I think with time there will be tweaks to the current regime which can help companies monetize as well.
Absolutely. I definitely agree with some of the points that you said. Please tell me, is India entering a two-speed fintech future where some players focus on value creation while others chase market share in tier 2 and tier 3 markets?
Yeah, given the demographic dividend in India, I think there is a huge scope for penetration of financial services, specifically digital financial services in tier 2, tier 3 and rural India. Also there is a need for various types of credit products for small enterprises and MSME segment as well. While a lot of innovation is happening for urban customers in the personal lending space, there's also scope for expanding and increasing financial inclusion in tier 2 and tier 3 cities as well.
Absolutely. Mr. Ramdas, lastly, with the RBI tightening compliance and data norms, especially for digital lending, are we striking the right balance between protecting consumers and not choking innovation?
Yes, I think there is a need to balance innovation and regulation. And I think the Reserve Bank, especially in the context of digital lending, has undertaken what is happening in the market and tried to kind of bring in baseline regulations which regulate how the industry operates. Customer protection and avoidance of systemic risk are paramount factors for the regulator. In that context, market players will have to adopt to make sure that they are fully compliant with the regulations and to avoid adverse scrutiny by the regulator.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ramdas, for answering so much appropriately. It was a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you.